Before investing on any IPO, one of the most important thing is to understand the company behind the IPO. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to analyze Lohia's Corporation Limited, like business analysis, financial analysis, IPO parameters. So let's begin. So let's start with the business analysis. Lohia Corporation Limited was established in 1981. It is mainly based on machinery for woven plastic and flexible packaging. The chairperson is Rajkumar Lohia. The register office is in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and it is served more than 100 plus countries. The main products are tape extrusion machines, circular looms, winding machine, coating and laminating machines, printing machines, conversion machines, recycling machine, and strapping machine. And then the next is promoters holding. So before IPO, the promoters holding is 95.61%, and public holdings, that is offer for sale, is 4.39%. After IPO, that is post issue, the promoters holding is 75.24%, and public holding offer for sale is 24.76%. And the next is financial performance, financial analysis of Lohia's Corporation. As you can see here, revenue from operations of Lohia Corporation is year on year, it is growth by 24.7%, and EBITDA is also increased by 48.5%. PAT is also increased by 64.1%, and the total asset is also increased by 34.8%. Net worth is also increased by 28.2%. Reserves and surplus 42.9%, which is also increased, and total borrowings is reduced by 28%, which means it is reduced their risk. So let's understand about the Lohia's financial ratios. The ROE is increased from year after year. It shows the upward growth, and ROCE, that is return on capital employed, is also increased. So it is also shows the upward growth. Earning per share is also increased by 33.6%, which is very good. And debt to equity ratio is reduced year after year. That means it shows reducing the risk. Book value or net asset value per share is also increased, which means the financial performance of the company is keep growing, and debt to equity ratio they kept reducing. So let's compare the Lohia Corporation Limited with the other peer companies. The P/E ratio of Lohia Corporation Limited is lesser than the Jyoti CNC Automation and Mamata Machinery Limited, which means it is at discount. That PB ratio, that is price to book value ratio, is higher than the Raju Engineering Limited and LMW Limited, which means it is expensive. Then the valuation of the shares is very high. Debt to equity ratio is reduced when compared to other peer companies, and ROE is very greater than the other peer companies, which means return on equity is higher than the other peer companies. Let's view on Lohia Corporation Limited IPO parameters. IPO total issue size is 1,101.28 crores. Fresh issue is not applicable. Offer for sale is same, 1,101.28 crores. Price band, lower limit 401 and upper limit rupees 425 per share. The face value is 1 per share. Lot size is 35 shares. The minimum investment for one lot is 14,875, which is upper price band. Lohia Corporation Limited IPO timeline. IPO opening date is on July 23rd. Closing date is on July 27th. Allotment finalizing July 28th. Refund initialization July 29th. Shares credit to demat July 29th. Listing date is to be expected is on July 30th. The Lohia Corporation Limited IPO allocation into three categories, that is qualified institutional buyers 75%, non-institutional investors 15%, retail individual investors 10%. The uses of IPO funds are offer for sale, proceed distribution, no fresh capital infusion for company, listing benefit to enhance the brand visibility. Now let's talk about the company negative points. Business heavily dependent on a single product segment. It issues 100% offer for sale. The positive points are the EBITDA is good, then the net worth is also good, ROE is also good, then debt to equity is reducing the risk. So grey market price of Lohia Corporation is on 23rd 7, which is 26 rupees, and estimated listing price is 6.12%. The estimated profit is 910 rupees. So what's your opinion? Will you invest on Lohia Corporation IPO? Comment under comment section. So subscribe the channel and click on the like button. Thank you.